So today we will have another company na na-discover. This is another ESL company using laptop. They're not using cell phone. So if you have laptop or any equipment device that is using yun, and also computer, it would be available. So this one is to what do you call this? To talk. So this company, according to my study, it is based on China and Korea. Chinese parang na siya, joint force, joint force. O yung agreement of Korea and China. So they have Chinese and Korean students at the same time. So let's click the apply to Tutalk. So there will be apply to global tutor and apply to native tutor on Tutalk. So welcome to Tutalk. This is one provide high quality and one-on-one tutoring services to working adults and students from China and Korea. So we offer flexible hours for our tutors. So if you need a portal to teach on during your free time, please apply. This why. So they have global tutors, which is where we are going to apply tutors from the Philippines and native tutors are from US, Canada yata, the UK, Iran or AU, Australia, and New Zealand. Then they have, of course, PC requirements. Ang kailangan nyo ay processor Intel i3, hanggang i7, 6th generation or higher. Then OS if Windows 64-bit or Mac OS. At least 20 gig of free hard disk. And then the internet requirements is of course we needed noise cancelling headset and or noise reduction, pwede na yon. Stable internet plan connection at least above 5 Mbps. Wi-Fi connection is not allowed for the classes, but I will try. Pag nag-apply ako, balitaan ko kayo kung makapasa ako. So let's click the apply to global tutor. Then ito yung requirements niya. Uh, It is remote, part-time, or flexible schedule. Booking system siya, pero meron silang tinatawag na air class na kapag once na ikaw ay online, pwede kang pasukan ng student. Para siyang instant lesson kung saan si student pwede kang agad mabook. That's it. Hello, we are looking for home base. This is the requirements, of course. At least a 1 year online or offline ESL teaching experience kung sa public man yan o private school. They prepare also candidates with native-like pronunciation. So I think like this, a native like it means you need to be fluent, not that really fluent, but make sure that it's a very uh what do you call it can be understand by the student. In-depth knowledge about teaching English or speaking, excellent communication skills, of course, it's very needed. A positive and kind attitude, and then bachelor's degree, wala naman silang specific na nilagay kung education man or any other course. So, baka 4 year course to. ESL teaching certification, it's either TEFL, TESOL, ALTS, that's it. And of course, stable tutoring environment, like internet connection needed, and then quiet place and equipment, etc. Able to work at least 10 hours per week. So it's all about, for example, 2 hours every day. Can have it for that. That's it. Para from Monday to Friday. And then, stable internet connection for video call lesson. So, pwede sila, may audio and video call lesson sila. Look at this. Using the materials in the platform, the tutor will teach one-on-one audio or video English speaking class to 20 or 40 minutes per class in an online classroom. Bale, ang kagandahan sa kanya, given na yung materials, you just need to teach. Encourage the student also to speak in English about 70% of the class and correct whatever the student said to better more natural English. So the salary, this is the salary for us since we're Filipino, 1.5 per lesson, 20 minutes 4.5 per hour. So, mataas na siya talaga. Taas, grabe, pwede na yan. Para siyang Lingo Star also. Get paid by PayPal, then paid every 2 weeks. So, extra incentive, we don't know what is the incentive. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, there are ways to take the lessons on air or real time. If the tutor set their status on air, students can request real-time class. The tutor can accept the request to start the class. So, it's up to you if gusto mo siyang gusto mo pumasok sa klase o hindi. So, ikaw yung mag-a-accept pa din. Kahit pa nag-on-air class ka. And booking system, the tutors can open their available time slots for the student to book. In class schedules, once the student and the tutor enter the classroom at the book time, the class begins. So, yun. So, gaya ng sa Lingustar and Powfish siya, may booking system. Next, application, of course, you need to prepare for this. We all need kasi gusto ko rin mag-apply. Job application, we comprehensively review candidate qualification, then pass the screening process. Before the mock class, we check whether the student or tutor is suitable for tutoring service. And the mock class, you, sabi dito, nung napanood ko din, one-on-one with the student, a real student with a foreign student. The result of the mock class is usually notified the next day. A successful candidate will be registered to TuTalk platform. So once a candidate process passes all the above steps, the candidate will become a TuTalk tutor. So should you have any question, if you have any question, oh by the way, don't forget to have your WeChat also. They need a WeChat ID, and then that's it. So good to go. Screenshot this if you need more, and then also you can look at that on this platform. Just click that what I do a while ago para mabilis. So let's try apply now. Yan, may form siya, Google form. Global tutor. So let's see. Ano nga ba yung kailangan? Okay. May kailangan silang introduction video. If you have ALTS, meron kailangan din ALTS score. So, self-introduction video is needed. Ano kaya yung self-introduction video? Please read the passage above and upload. Kailangan din recording. Then, kailangan mo din ng WeChat ID. And, kailangan din. May speed test din. Kaya kailangan maghanda ng speed test. Yan, kailangan ng backup battery. Kung meron kayo, maglagay na rin kayo. It's total package. So, kailangan ninyo paghandaan ito. Nakalagay din yung mga kailangan ng just like what a while ago, what we saw. Name, yan, lagay yung pangalan nyo, age, female ako, then yung email address, mobile phone number, work history, for example, Palfish, Ligastar, 51 Talk, that's better. Lalo na yung mga kilalang kumpanya sa China kasi it would entertain them that, oh, you're an experienced teacher, you're hired in this company, malaking company. English teaching experience, for example, yun nga I have 4 years or 3 years of experience as an online and offline teacher. Education, yun yung degree nyo. Ako, Bachelor of Elementary Education, current job, online teacher, nationality Filipino, country of residence Philippines, then Laguna, I will put there. Certificate, I have TESOL and TEFL. Then, I don't have NA, ilalagay ko dito. NA na lang lagay. Then, self-introduction video, at least 30 seconds long. Wow. So, ano lalagay ko dito? Is it for kids or, sabi kasi nila doon, kids or adults, merong kids, may adults dito. So, how can I present? So, maybe I will have adults. Kasi gusto ko din adults, mga students ko. Yan, ilalagay mo din dyan kung ano available time mo. 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hindi nakalagay kung PH time to. So, yan yung WeChat ID needed siya. Please upload a screenshot image of computer specification, patay. Then, speed test, kailangan din. Yan. Tapos, lagyan nyo na rin yung backup. Kunyari, 30,000. Ah, yung battery. For example, bumili ka sa Yubaw. So, maganda yon. Gusto ko nga bumili nun eh. Kasi backup battery din. Parang ano siya, saksakan. Or di kaya yung mga, what do you call this? Basta magagamit siya pag merong power interruption. Bibili ako nun. So, balitaan ko kayo kapag nakapasa ako. So, let's go to talk. This ESL company, ESL ga, ESL company also would provide you better opportunity, lalo na dun sa nababaan sa rate sa ibang company na bumaba talaga yung rate kasi ewan ko ba't sila nagbago. Yun nga. So, let's find a company na pwede sa atin at talagang yung hirap natin mabibigay yung tamang sweldo. Siyempre, mahirap din na lagi tayong nakastay lang sa isang company. That's why I'm looking for another opportunity, not only for one company. Kasi, yun yung, siyempre, sayang yung oras na ginugugol sa pagtuturo kung yun at yun pa rin. So let's find a better one that helps us also in our family. So I would like to help you at the same time. So please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and make sure to click the notification bell for you to be updated on my latest vlog. Parang common na yun. So yeah, about Tutalk. So see you on Tutalk, being a global English tutor. See you there. Bye.